Vivo introduced its new V series phone in the European market called Vivo V40 SE with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V40 SE 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo V40 SE 5G sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and there is 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.17 by 75.81 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't announced the pricing details of this smartphone at the moment, but it is expected to be priced around €300. The smartphone will be available in crystal black and leather purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V40 SE 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.